But Tasha's leaving now. So sad. I've got a really big shoot next week. I'm so nervous. Guys, I'm so nervous. Oh my god. I got a stank ass walk and a reckless ass mouth. So what's going on, guys? So it's literally Sunday. Me and Tasha literally just finished doing the charity bags. So they'll be live super soon. Well, by the time you watch this, they'll be live anyway, because you would know from my Wednesday video. But look at all these freaking hot sauces. By the time you see this flipping vlog, you would have known what danger me and Tasha put ourselves into with these hot sauces. This one here, we had to burn the top for it to literally, for us to open it. So mad. This has, how much has a nuclear bomb? But hold on, is it
1.25 million?
It's 1.25 million Scoville. Child, this is gonna be a madness. So we're literally getting ready to film this now. It's literally like 11:36. Tasia, you excited?
I'm scared.
So morning, guys. I know I did like a little clip this morning, but Tasia's finally awake. There she is. How you feeling, Tasia?
I feel like we got drunk last night.
I do. When we woke up, my lips actually, they're still a tiny bit swollen, but hold on.
It's given plump.
It's giving very much filler.
It's given 1 mil.
But the chili challenge, I feel like I would have felt worse at doing the chili challenge. Do you think? I feel
What's
like
the chili challenge?
I mean the hot sauce.
Oh.
I feel like I would have felt worse, but I don't feel that worse. But I definitely feel like we were drunk a bit more.
Yeah, well, we did go to bed really late.
Yeah, we went to bed at like 5:30. But Tasha's leaving now. She's going to meet her rapper. No, Hey guys, so I literally just been working today. Tasha went home. I'm so sad. It's so crazy because I'm so used to having my own space, but obviously I love guests coming over. But it's funny because when she stays with me for like a few days, it's so cute and cool. I'm so used to company. Then when she goes, I'm like, oh, because I've only lived by myself for like maybe 2 years, like including this place and the last place. And I used to share with people all the time, and like sometimes living by yourself, you can get so lonely. And like, you know, when you have laughs and you're up till 5 in the morning watching Netflix and stuff, it actually is nice. Like, oh, not my eyelash moving mad. And sometimes it is really nice just to have someone like here just to like chill and just, you know, have a kiki. So it's just like, oh, then I'm like, oh, okay, I'm here all by myself. But morning, guys, I'm just up. It's like not almost 11, but like I was supposed to have a training session. I'm so sick of working at home. I just want the gyms to open back up. And you know, some days you wake up and you're just like, for fuck's sake, same shit, different day. I'm just in bed doing some emails. I should really get up, but I think I'm gonna go for a run instead of doing a workout with my, because when you work out, if you train on Zoom, it's so different. It's just like, well, you're literally just chilling and telling you what to do, and it's just like, ugh. It's not really the same, is it? But obviously it's fine. I don't think what I've got to do today. Actually, I haven't got that much to do today, so it's gonna be pretty chilled. But I hope you guys are doing good. Hey guys, how are you? I finally got up. When I say I've done nothing today,
good job, guys.
And I wanted to show you guys because I know a lot of you guys are always really interested in like my meal prep and me cooking. But I've actually received some meals off this family-owned business called R&S Meals. They are only based in the UK, and you guys know I'm kind of lazy when it comes to cooking. That's why I ask you guys for recipes and stuff. But they actually reached out to me. A few of my friends actually use them, and I've actually seen them before actually. I know my friend Archer uses them, and obviously my friend Danny used them. So I thought, why not check them out? Because they reached out. Again, they're called R&S Meals. They actually sent some garlic and thyme chicken. Because you know, sometimes these meal prep services, the food can be quite bland. I've used some before, which were okay, but it just needed a, you know, a little seasoning, and that it just wasn't up to par, you know. So anyway, they actually sent jambala chicken. They sent pulled barbecue chicken, rice and veg. And what I love, it says the calories, the proteins, the carbs and fats. So if you do use my fitness pal, which I do, you can put it right up in there. They also sent garlic and thyme again. So I'm gonna freeze these 3. I'm probably gonna just eat the other 2. I haven't done anything all day again. I'm probably gonna eat one of these and then work out, to be honest, because ciao. Hey, so what is going on? I literally just finished doing this look for you guys, which should be up way before this vlog, so it should be out tomorrow actually. I just filmed it. It's kind of like a dewy, kind of natural, no lash makeup kind of look. Where's my food actually? One second, let me get my food. Okay, so I'm eating this R&S meal. Again, if you are from the UK, you can use my discount code, which is Gary15 for 15% off. They seem really cool. This is, I'm eating today garlic and thyme chicken and potatoes and veg. I've actually put some hot sauce in it because, guys, since the hot sauce challenge, which I need to upload now. Anyway, I've just been loving hot sauce. Like, I'm addicted, but obviously I would never have the bomb again. I have my first shoot next week, which I'm a bit nervous for because I actually have to have like, which is obviously understandable. I have to have like the proper like full COVID test again, which I don't mind doing. Got a really big shoot next week with, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to say, but I'm gonna try and do behind the scenes next week. Next week's quite a busy week actually. Like, I'm getting a lot of stuff done. And I just feel like it's the end of March, and if you are in the UK, you would know we come out of lockdown on April the 12th. Not well come out of lockdown, well, you know, we can like be out and about and shit. So yeah, I'm gonna get cracking, eat this. This is what it looks like, so yummy. And then do the thumbnail for this video. So hey guys, what is going on? I woke up a bit late today. I've got a baking class in like 8 minutes with Ola Henriksen. We're celebrating the launch of this eye cream, the new one. This is the Winkle Blur Buckature eye cream. Been using it for a few days, it's really good. Really lightweight, has that classic Ola smell. We're making meringues today. I'm so nervous. I'm just getting ready for the Zoom. I'm not sure why I'm so nervous. I think because I just don't bake. But okay, let me open a window and yeah. Oh my god, let me put my apron on.
We baking, we chopping.
Guys, I'm so nervous. Oh my god. Okay, so cooking class was hella cute, so I got some leftover caster sugar. Oh, Kim is waiting for my things to finish baking the meringues. But I actually wanted to show you some stuff that I got on Amazon. So you know when you get those little bits and they stick to your hand? So I've got these programmable remote control outlets. So it's basically like a socket and you can actually control on and off by using the remote, because in my beauty room, I'm basically now I'm turning each switch on by like each socket. So I just thought, why not buy like an extension, use this, so when I want to turn on all my beauty lights I can turn it on. But I'll show you later. I also bought a new ring light because my one, I've had my ring light for, wow, I've had that ring light, oh my, so basically I got gifted it at a Laura Mercier event, and that was like 4 years ago, and it's actually on its last leg now, and it's saying peace out A-Town. So I'll show you the one that I've got. I'm hoping it's the right size because hold on. Actually no, it is quite big. Wow, I didn't realize the ring light could have so many instructions. Oh wow. Oh, so that's what it looks like. How big is it? It actually looks bigger than I thought. My one at the moment is quite small. Okay, there's the extra bits there. So it's by Godox. Hold on. Godox, yeah. It's by Godox and it's the LR150. And it comes with a phone attachment, which I think is really, really cute. And it bends as well. Oh! I'm trying to think if my camera, I think my camera would be too heavy to fit on here, but it's cute for my vlogging camera. My vlogging camera would definitely fit on here. How cute is this ring light? So yeah, I'm gonna set this up. You can also change the color and stuff there, because my ring light that I have at the moment doesn't have any of this. So, and it's good that the controls are there. So my meringues have finished. So my battery was literally on. Oh, let me hold the tightness. Here they are here. So, oh, they actually do dry. Oh, I left them in the oven for too long because they're a bit golden. That was a mega fail. They're not coming off the, oh. They're basically cracking off. Really good. I don't like how it gets a bit, it turns quite sugarish because my tea is really sweet. They are nice. Imagine this in coffee. I literally bought this from Amazon. I know it looks messy, but I'm gonna try and tidy it up. I just had to plug them in. I'm probably gonna hide this behind the table, and then that's the switch thing there. And then, okay, so everything's connected. You get this remote with it, so it's like a connector to the socket. So then when you want to turn it off, you just click this off button. See, and all of them go off, and obviously when I sit down and want to film. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? Hi. The ring, let me show you the ring light. So this is the ring light here. Then we have lights there. And then a light there. I need to move everything about, but I just love it. I just feel like it's gonna make my life so much easier, because before I was turning on that socket and that socket, I was like, why don't I just get one of these socket things that have a remote? I was watching, was it Aaliyah's Space, and she had one. Just so good. Like, I feel like I have so much light for me though. Yeah, and that's it. I love this because it's got a USB in it as well, so I don't have to plug my USB into my fan while I'm doing a sip and slate. This works out perfectly. Such a good socket. I'll add these to my Amazon storefront if you guys want to cut them. You guys know the drill. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 3:25 a.m.
This is what happens when you can't blood clot sleep. Look how much, I think I've done I have done a video on this. These are the 10 looks, the face drops, guys. I haven't used these in about maybe a week, and I was wondering to myself, like, why does my skin look so, like, it looks so dead? And like these are kind of like basically a life version tinted moisturizer in the bottle, because when I wear these, obviously don't give me a tan. Well, it does, but it kind of evens out my skin and just gives it a glow. Like, I'm gonna need to, like, well, they said they're sending me some, but if they don't, I'll just probably repurchase myself. But like, so good. I think I've had it, maybe, I'm trying to think if it lasted quite long. I'm gonna go in with this. This is a hydrating self tan. I kind of do this combo if I want like an extra kind of glow. I'm basically just doing my nighttime skincare routine. Put some lip balm on. I'm gonna go in with the Summer Fridays. This is called lip butter. Honestly, I'm sleeping so bad at the moment. I'm not sure why. It's just me and Tasha are always talking, and like we don't even use WhatsApp. We always talk through DMs because we always browse on Instagram, and it's just the quickest way. Because sometimes on WhatsApp it can be a bit mad. You just see how my skin's just kind of looking like glass. I have to dry it, and I always wash my hands after because I've had a few mistakes where it looks very, very mad. Where did that lid go? Did it drop? I'm like scared to go up because I'm low-key naked. Like, how freaking insane does my skin look? Morning. Can you guys see my complexion? I think I went to bed like 3 yesterday, and it's now 11. So I got a zoom in basically an hour, but you can see how those drops just really just give me a glow. I just love them so much. I'm literally gonna make some coffee. Oh, my fucking unit is. Oh. Honestly, I'm gonna give myself a concussion because I keep patting my head too much. Oh my god. Period. Today is kind of like a quiet day, but I definitely want to. I'm gonna put you down there. I definitely want to. Why is my head hurting me so much? I want to go to dry cleaners because there's so much clothes I want to sell, but they just have a like, they're not dirty, but they just have some stains in there. So I'm gonna try and get that sorted today. Literally just film taking pictures of this look. So I basically just got skin on and grey eyebrows because I did a little Insta tutorial on stories kind of zoom, but I'll try and insert pictures here. I took them literally in front of that window because I feel like I didn't have any pictures because Oh, I shouldn't be using whites for growers. Sometimes you just have to. Yeah, I haven't shot my photographer for ages. It's just so cold and like, it's just not a vibe. I got a stank ass walk and a reckless ass mouth. So I literally had a cute workout. I actually didn't work at my trainers. Basically, this guy I know called Nick and his friends basically launched this new online platform called Grindhouse, and they upload loads of like workouts in there. But I'm child, you know how to get the free trial. They've got a free trial for 14 days, so I'm just doing the trial because the gyms open back up in less, well, not the broccoli burning, the gyms open up in less than 4 weeks, so I'm gonna do that out just so I can get my body work for the gym. But guys, let me know, so what should I do? I've got this kind of like issue. So basically I train my trainer who you've seen basically, and the gym is basically like maybe from door to door, maybe about 40 minutes to go to this gym. It's a gym I've been going to. I don't really pay for the membership, but I just train my trainer. My trainer's really good. But I've got a gym, basically, I wouldn't answer my own question. I've got a gym less than 60 seconds from my house, but I don't have a trainer there. Do I go to the gym 40 minutes away, or do I go to the gym 3 minutes away? It's just so annoying because the gym next to me is really nice, but it's just, I'm not sure, you know, it's just a thing of finding a personal trainer again that annoys me, because I've gone through so many personal trainers and some are really good and some are really bad, and I need a personal trainer. I just do, like, point blank period. I'm just not sure what to do. I'm just like, oh. I'm also making fried chicken again, so I didn't use a chicken breast this time. I actually used chicken thighs. Listen, I'll put on weight, I'm not even gonna lie, but if I was to just lose some fat around here and gain it here, I would look like one of those Fashion Nova models, period. Like, you can see the abs, but chop. Listen, this summer I'm acting so mad. Oh, listen, you guys are gonna be like, why is Gary even acting like that? When travel opens, I'm going to everywhere I've wanted to. Atlanta. Listen, everyone's gonna be like, why is Gary acting so reckless? Listen, I might even get arrested. I'm not even sure, but I'm just gonna be moving very mad. Okay, so guys, here is the fried chicken here. Like, it looks much better than last time. Obviously, I like it a bit burnt because no air fryer is gonna kill me. No air fryer is gonna give me salmonella. So literally just did that TikTok challenge. I will never, I think this would be quite good for a YouTube video actually. Let me know if you'd want a YouTube video like 2016, 2021, even though there's something wrong with the 2016 one. It was just a bit more Instagram brow. And then you got here, which is a bit more soft. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. It's a bit bright in here. You tell? Soft, dewy, more matte, more highlight. Nothing's wrong. It's just, I think it'd be a good YouTube video. If you guys want me to do a video on it, let me know and I'll do that. I should have recorded it. I'm not sure why I didn't record it at the same time. I'm so long, but gloss matte. I'm so freaking tired. It's Friday night. I've actually got so much work to do tomorrow. Actually, I just ordered these really cute cartons from Amazon. I actually saw Darjane, who I follow on Instagram, have these, and I was like, ooh, this would be so cute for like a run or something, or just, you know, on the go. I'm trying to drink a lot of water anyway, but I'm not sure why I bought this couple of water containers, but anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog here. This week has just been, you know, same old shit, different day, as I say, but we are coming out of lockdown in a few weeks, so it will be a bit more exciting and a bit more active. Next week is actually a really crazy week, so it'll be, next week's gonna be quite an exciting one because I've got so much things on, and plus I'm about to go up to Birmingham, and then I've got a shoot, and then I've got, you know, pop, lock and dropping it, then I'm seeing my rapper, I think. But I hope you guys have a lovely weekend, and I hope you guys enjoy this week's vlog. I love you guys so much, and oh my god, I want to announce it on Wednesday, but yeah, bye.